In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the Serpentine belt on your Dodge Ram. It's located right on the front side of your engine. Using our 3/8 socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen and remove this bolt holding our expansion tank. We're simply going to take our expansion tank, lift it up, and we're going to spin it around and set that to the side. Let's go ahead and use our 3/8 end here, and we're going to put it into the tensioner, and we're going to push it to the right. That loosens the tension on the belt. Go ahead and work that belt off, release the tensioner, and continue to remove the belt. Now that you have your belt run around all of your pulleys as it should be, we're going to put our tool into our tensioner, bring that up, get our belt popped on, and then relax that. You want to go ahead and double check every single pulley that is run around on a ribbed pulley, and double check, make sure that is on there all the way, and see that my belt is not on my tensioner here or on my idler all the way. So I'm just going to take that slack off, push that belt on. Check, make sure it's on the harmonic balancer all the way around. It all looks good. Check that tension. You should be all set. We want to install our expansion tank, putting these two blades into the top part of the fan shroud, and line this up. Now, if you have your bolt in your metal retainer clip here, go ahead and install your bolt and snug that down. In our particular case, the bolt was damaged and our metal clip was rusted and broken, so we're simply going to replace it with one of these expandable plastic retainer buttons.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.